Winter city side around my head in the wind. I had no illusion that I'd ever find a glimpse of summer heat waves in your eyes. You did what you did to me, now it's history I see. Here's my comeback on.
About to go and snowboard for the first time in my life. Wish me luck. Oh, this is my new friend.
Hello! Good luck!
You too!
Yeah, good luck for me. Neither of us have ever snowboarded.
It's quite terrifying,
awesome.
isn't it?
A little bit about me. I'm 23 years old, from England originally. I live in Northern Ireland now, which is pretty random, so heading back there tomorrow. Just come from Austria. I was in Switzerland the week before, and America the week before that. So I travel quite a lot. I've been a professional snowboarder now for, I guess, like 4 years, but I've been travelling since I was 16, so it's about 7 years now, and yeah, it's been amazing and created some insane opportunities, been to some places I never even dreamed of, and met some amazing people, and it's given me the opportunity to do stuff like this and meet people that you guys have never ever even met before. So yeah, it's basically awesome. I competed in the Olympics last year. That was cool. That was like the first time I've been to the Olympics. Slopestyle, I don't know if anyone watched it. Did anyone see the Olympics? Yeah. A few heads there. Awesome. Yeah, I was in the semi-finals. Unfortunately, I fell over, which wasn't so good, but it's my first one. I was 22 at the time, so I reckon I can get a couple more under my belt. We'll see. I ended up doing some commentary. Did anyone hear that? Yeah. That ended up kind of exploding and hit the news. But yeah, more importantly, we had a medal in the snowboarding, which was a huge success in snow sports, and it's just created some fantastic opportunities.
Seriously, don't worry about that. If we were to get you to start facing downhill, you'd automatically, fear factor, look at the snow. If you look at the snow, that's where you're going to go. So you'd end up doing a nice face plant in the snow. We really don't want to. So it is, believe it or not, a lot easier to face the top of the hill. So I'm just going to quickly show you how we're going to do it, and then I'm going to get you to do the same. So if you want to stand next to me in a line going down.
Carrying all the snow with you.
It's my turn.
Are you taking a photo? I'll take some.
Drop it, drop it.